Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Car Trim Restorer is probably one of the most sought-after car care products for enhancing the look and feel of your vehicle's interior and exterior plastic and trim. This video will dive deep into what makes a great car trim restorer, exploring various products on the market, and ultimately helping you choose the best one to restore your car's faded and worn plastic and trim to a like-new condition, saving you money and time in the long run. Number 5. Cerakote Plastic Restorer. Say goodbye to faded plastics. This easy-to-use trim restorer will renew and protect your vehicle's interior and exterior surfaces for months. Tired of temporary fixes? It will give you a long-lasting finish that survives even the toughest weather conditions. Unlike other products, it repels water, so your vehicle will look great even after a downpour. No more ugly streaks. This product dries completely to the touch, leaving no oily residue behind. It won't ruin your detailing towels. We use the latest advancements in science and the best equipment to ensure consistently high-quality products, all made in the USA. Our team is dedicated to customer satisfaction. If you have any concerns, we're here to help you. What we like. It's tired of short-lived results. This product offers a long-lasting shine that survives rain. The non-greasy formula ensures a clean finish without oily residue. If you value durability and a lasting shine, this is the product for you. What people say. The plastic restorer works perfectly on restoring and providing a new-looking finish to composite parts. One of the standout features of the Cerakote plastic restorer is its ability to restore faded and worn-out plastic surfaces. Whether it's the exterior trim, bumpers, or interior components, this product brought back the rich, deep black color, giving my car a refreshed and polished appearance. It effectively covered up small scratches and imperfections, enhancing the overall aesthetics. Tried this on my older Land Rover Discovery and it restored the sunspots. The difference is night and day. Number 4. Chemical Guys TVD_107_16 BRP. It's an easy-to-use protectant that restores a deep black look, enhances shine, and protects vinyl, rubber, and plastic surfaces against harmful weather conditions and extreme heat. It's perfect for keeping your vehicle looking its best. It helps restore a like-new appearance to exterior and interior surfaces. This premium water-based cream dressing nourishes and protects to restore a deep black shine, addressing fading and staining. It achieves a non-greasy, deep, wet look on both interior and exterior vinyl, rubber, plastic, and tires. Application is quick, easy, mess-free, and there's no slinging. It finishes dry to the touch and won't attract dirt or dust. This premium sprayable dressing keeps exterior rubber and plastic looking great in all weather conditions. Beginners and professionals choose Chemical Guys for the finest car care products, world-class customer support, and vast detailing knowledge. It's more than a brand, it's a lifestyle. What we like. Looking for superior protection against harsh weather? This product provides ultimate protection while delivering a non-greasy, dry-to-the-touch finish. It's perfect for maintaining a showroom-worthy look. If you prioritize a deep black shine and long-lasting protection, this is your best bet. What people say. I use on my Mini Cooper Countryman on the plastic siding above the tires, the black color has faded over time due sun. After researching options online, found a YouTube video that recommended this product as well as how to apply. It brought the black shine back and looks good as new. I also use on trim outside and on interior view NL. Sprayed interior of my 2007 Crown Vic and shined everything to a durable, if worn looking, shine. The rear seat became smooth and slippery and comfortable looking, and the dash retained its shine with minimal need to wipe dust weeks later. This product was great shining up all of my vinyl plastic and rubber. I also used it to bring my Croc shoes back to life. It did a great job on everything. Number 3. Cerakote Ceramic Trim Coat Kit. This kit will restore and protect your car's black trim. It's a ceramic coating, not a temporary dressing, so it lasts. Unlike other products, it's guaranteed to last for 2 years. It's a ceramic coating that will last over 200 washes. Tired of products that wash away after a few days? This one won't. It's designed to withstand rain and regular washing. It's a restoration kit, not for new trim. It will restore and protect your trim for 2 years, no gimmicks. Application is easy with pre-moistened wipes. No spraying, rubbing, or greasy residue to worry about. This isn't some secret formula, it's a ceramic-based product that bonds to your car's plastic. It's developed by world-class chemists. Cerakote is a world leader in ceramic polymer technology, trusted by aerospace, automotive, and technology companies worldwide. Trust the leader to protect your vehicle. What we like. Tired of temporary solutions? This ceramic coating offers a 2-year guarantee and won't wash off. The easy application process makes it a breeze to use. If you demand lasting results and a hassle-free application, this is the one for you. What people say. Application is easy, you just wipe it slowly across the material. Immediately I was amazed at how well it looked, even with just one wipe. A few months and it looks amazing. I've gone off-roading, gotten paint on some of the fenders, and washed the car at least 30 times and the plastic pieces still look new. The coating is still very much intact and wicks away most dirt and debris. I even sadly drove over some wet paint in the road and it was almost impossible to get off the areas I didn't treat, but the ones that did literally just wiped right off after it had already dried. Number 2. MEGUIAR'S Ultimate Black Plastic Restorer. Give your car's exterior trim a renewed look. This product restores faded plastic, vinyl, and rubber, making them look like new. It's perfect for bumpers, moldings, door handles, any non-painted exterior trim. Bring back that showroom shine. Just a dime-sized drop is all you need. Its thick formula provides excellent control and prevents overspray. It's unlike other protectants. The UV clear coat technology makes it incredibly durable and long-lasting. This product dries quickly and won't streak when wet. Enjoy a beautiful, lasting finish. Apply a small amount to a foam applicator, spread evenly, and wipe off any excess with a clean towel. It's that simple. What we like. Want a product that lasts and protects against UV damage? This durable, non-greasy formula provides long-lasting protection and a sleek finish. A little goes a long way, making it cost-effective. If you're looking for a high-quality, long-lasting solution, this is an excellent choice. What people say. It's been 2 weeks and it still looks great. I used a 1/2-inch artist's brush and slathered it on the door handles and hood latches. The next morning it was all absorbed into the plastic handles. They look like new. This is a quality product and delivers very well. Easy to use, the results look great. And leave the plastics looking like fresh new. The bumper on my vehicle had sun faded to a dull, faded gray. I cleaned the bumper well and dried it with a microfiber cloth. I allowed it to dry after wiping it down for approximately 20 minutes. I poured a small amount of the cream on and started rubbing in small circular motions, with my foam applicator. I moved across the bumper, making sure not to miss any spots. There was a significant difference after 1 coat of the cream, but the product labels stated it might take more than 1 coat. I used very little of the cream and did 3 coats, and now have a shining actual black bumper to go with the rest of my vehicle. Number 1. Chemical Guys Silk Shine. This innovative spray gives your vehicle's exterior a stunning, dry-to-the-touch shine. It's perfect for tires, trim, and more. It dries quickly, leaving no sticky residue and repelling dirt and dust. Enjoy a long-lasting, clean look, no matter the weather. Our WeatherTech formula penetrates deep, protecting against fading and damage from the sun's harmful rays. It keeps your vehicle looking its best for weeks. It's designed to enhance modern matte and satin finishes, giving your trim a brand new OEM look. Say goodbye to dull, faded plastics. Simply spray it on and watch it transform your vehicle's exterior. It's that easy. It's suitable for cars, trucks, motorcycles, and more. Give your vehicle the shine and protection it deserves. What we like. Want a product that dries quickly and protects against UV rays? This dry-to-the-touch formula provides a beautiful, silk shine and long-lasting protection. It's perfect for maintaining a modern matte or satin finish. If you value a quick-drying, protective finish with a subtle shine, this is the product for you. What people say. Suitable for various surfaces, including tires, trim, and internal and external plastics, Silk Shine restores and enhances without creating an undesired glossy finish. It is particularly effective on vehicles with matte and satin finishes, maintaining the original OEM look. The sprayable format allows for quick and even application, especially when used with an air paint sprayer. This method ensures consistent coverage and a flawless finish while saving time. Its advanced WeatherTech formula protects against the elements, preventing fading, cracking, and other damages caused by sun exposure. The durability of this product keeps vehicles looking sharp for extended periods. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.